For many people, buying a luxury handbag is not as uncommon purchase. While the appeal of luxury goods is undeniable, the leather is soft, the logo is flashy, the price tag can be off-putting. Unless you've got a good job with high salary or have developed fantastic personal saving habits, buying luxury consumer goods can be cost prohibitive. Consumers don't behave rationally all the time. A perfectly rational person would always act in accordance with reason or logic. In other words, a perfectly rational person would always act in their own best interest. However, numerous modern behavioral psychology studies have revealed that humans don't always act rationally. And many consumers who buy luxury goods are not in a financial position to be able to afford those luxury goods. The proof of this may be in the high rates of consumer debt that many Americans have. Depending on how you look at it, this phenomena may be evidence that many Americans don't always act in the best financial interest. While a high quality durable handbag can be purchased for around $100, some people opt instead to spend thousands of dollars on a single luxury handbag that performs the same function and is of the same relative quality. Surprising, isn't it? So it all boils down to the question, are higher priced goods really of that higher quality? See, now one possible explanation for this is human tendency to overemphasize the positive elements of the product and ignore its disadvantages. For example, in the case of Apple, consumers wait overnight for new releases of iPhones, iPad and Mac computers. This despite the fact that Apple products are not technologically unique or superior. In fact, if you go to see, Samsung makes phones which are much better features, and Microsoft Corporation and Xiaomi makes phones that are typically have a cheaper price point. So nevertheless, Apple experiences a high degree of brand loyalty and seems to break sales record year after year. In some cases, low self-esteem can be a factor that influences whether or not a consumer purchases luxury goods, especially if they cannot easily afford the cost of luxury items. For some consumers, a luxury good can go a long way in increasing self-esteem or providing a sense of belonging. With the rise of online shopping, a $500 scarf is just a click away. For some people, luxury goods are the ultimate retail therapy. Fortunately for luxury brands, the internet has made them easily accessible for impulse shopping. So there's a reason why people may decide to pass up a fake Rolex in order to pay full price for an authentic one. Despite appearing the same, the owner will know that they do not have a real luxury good. This doesn't appear like a rational choice. If we buy luxury goods to show off to others and to feel like we belong, why wouldn't we buy a false to do the trick? So let us go a little back. Researchers at Yale have determined that the quest for authenticity develops early in childhood. A study that tried to convince children that our cloning machine had produced their favorite toy found that most children refuse to accept the duplicate as identical. It turns out that the sentimental value of the item, the memory or the feeling that comes from having purchased a genuine luxury good, is a part of the reason we seek authenticity. So in other words, for some people, treating yourself to a pair of fake Louis Vuitton would be same as treating yourself not at all. So what is the conclusion? People buy luxury goods for a variety of reasons. Nearly all of these reasons, as we just saw, are strong emotions that we attach to the purchase of an expensive good. Whether or not a consumer in a financial position that allows them to be able to purchase such an item, they may still decide to purchase it anyways in order to achieve a certain feeling. For example, a feeling of accomplishment from hard work or to gain acceptance from others. Hey guys, if you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video.